In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription with Rocket Money. If you're looking to manage your expenses better or switch to a different service, canceling your Rocket Money subscription might be the right step for you. Let's walk through the process together. First, head over to the official Rocket Money website, open your preferred web browser and type in the Rocket Money URL or simply search for Rocket Money login to find the site. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Log into your account using your email address and password associated with Rocket Money. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just find the Forgot Password link and follow the steps to reset it. Once you're successfully logged in, you should be directed to your dashboard. This is the main hub of your account where you can see various details about your finances. Here, look for the Settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon or listed among the menu options. Click on Settings to continue. This area is where you can adjust various aspects of your account, including cancellation options. Next, you'll want to select the Premium section from the Settings menu. The Premium area provides information about your current subscription plan and any associated benefits. This is where you'll find the option to cancel. Under the Premium section, locate the Cancel Membership button. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process. After you click on Cancel Membership, a series of prompts will guide you through the cancellation. These might include questions or feedback requests about why you're choosing to cancel. Rocket Money often uses this step to gather user insights and possibly offer retention deals. However, if your mind is set on cancellation, move ahead to the next step, which is clicking on Continue Cancellation. Following these steps should successfully cancel your Rocket Money subscription. It's always a good idea to check your email for any confirmation of cancellation sent by Rocket Money. This confirmation email serves as your record that the cancellation was processed. That's it. You've now canceled your Rocket Money subscription. It's important to keep track of your finances, and sometimes that means making changes like this. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.